Hello everyone, we just received, this is a tray balloon, a huge tray balloon around 130 centimeters to times 60 centimeters, 130 centimeter length and with width of 60 centimeters. Let's open it. I bought this from another island in Indonesia in the marketplace. Let's unbox this. How to let's go. Oh, they have another pack. Nice. So this tray balloon will be the Monster Jam Milan Nemo Stadium Arena. Yes, Mr. Revas. Oh, balloon. Yes, this is balloon. Look, this is a huge balloon, tray balloon, bigger than our Monster Jam Mini Arena. So this is will be Milan Nemo Monster Jam Stadium. We will play later with this, and we just wait another package from Bandung. It is a kinetic sands. We bought 5 kilograms of kinetic sands, or around 10 pounds of kinetic sands. This is a hole. So look, this tile is 30 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So it's around, the description is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is true measurement, 130 centimeters multiplied with 60 centimeters. Let's check it. Here, Revas. Oh, sorry. Look. Sorry everyone, I do this alone, no assistance. Oh, so sorry, Mr. Revas hits. Balloon, yes. Balloon, yes. Should we close this one or not? I'm not sure. Try it. Well, maybe it will take more than 20 minutes to inflate this tray balloon. So I gave up doing this. Let's check. I think everything is okay. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Dadah, Dek. Dadah, Pas. Thank you for watching.